All right, we're going to take you to some breaking news right now. We're following a massive wildfire in Hays County north of San Marcos that is forcing evacuations. Take a look at this video shot by our own Adam Caskey. 30 minutes ago, Hays County listed a church on its Facebook page that will be a temporary shelter for those who have been evacuated. The fire started earlier this afternoon and is already estimated to be 70 acres, 0% contained. This fire is so big it can actually be seen by our satellite imagery.
Hello, everybody. Stefania Jimenez here. Thank you so much for watching KSAT's YouTube channel. Keep up to date with all of San Antonio's top news, weather, and so much more by clicking the like and subscribe buttons below. And once again, thanks for watching KSAT.